to Elegant Arrangements. And today, guys, I will be making a Christmas arrangement for you. It's quick, it's easy, it takes a couple of minutes. The only thing you will need is a base, the bulbs you like, and this Flux snow that I actually got from Dollar Tree. So we're going to get started with adding the snow to the base. And you only want to put so much of it in here, like a half. You want to fill it just halfway, pretty much. If you like. If you want more, that's cool too. And for me, guys, I already picked out the bulbs that I like. And I'm just going to add them to my base. And guys, you can have the same color, or you can alternate the colors if you like. And guys, this is pretty much it. Hold on a sec. And this doesn't have to be, actually I'm gonna take a couple of bulbs off the top. But this doesn't have to be neat. It could be just kind of sporadic. But this is pretty much it, guys. It's a simple and easy arrangement you can make for the holidays. This is just one of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know how you like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.